Hi, I'm Gareth and welcome back to my driveway. Today's video is exactly what I imagined this series would be, and that is videos that are related to problems that occur as we are daily driving our classics, in this case my 944, a modern classic. As I was running errands this morning, this is what happened. As you can see, it no longer opens all the way. And so today's video is all about fixing your automatic windows, your power windows in your 944. Let's get to it. Those of you who have attempted to take the door cards off of your 944 will know that it's not the hardest of jobs, but it's also a little bit tricky. What we have to worry about is the fact that there are a whole bunch of plastic connectors that have become brittle over time. And so we have to tiptoe around these a little. Vitally important now that we have all the screws out is that we do not break those small little plastic clips. I'm going to use a couple of different tools to get behind the door card, pry it off gently, and hopefully in doing that we'll reduce the risk of breaking any of them. Damn it. I broke it. I mean, look, it was clearly broken before, but damn it. Not what I wanted to have happen. Okay. So we have the motor that goes. So on that arm is a small piece of steel that catches the rail and pushes it up. So clearly on this side, nothing seems to be blocking the rail or the glass. So it's probably on this other side. Okay, here it is, we found it. It's actually something that I saw in the other door. A little while ago, I opened the other door because I was trying to reattach the sound system. For some reason, all of the wires had been cut. And I saw one of these units. It seems to be a bit jammed in that door as well. Let me see if I can just remove it and then get it done. Now the question is, will the speaker work without it? Crap. Things come off. So what I'd like you to please help with is if you could hold the top of the window and just take the weight.
Yeah.
But I need to get my hands in here. So, okay, thanks. So here's the window. It gets a little bit stuck on that side. So
Just to go in this track here, eh?
yeah, but for now it needs to be angled kind of like that.
Okay.
Okay, now I need to try and get my hand back in here. Okay. Okay, can you pull your right hand up? Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, now lower.
The right.
Both.
Both. Okay.
Let's just see if I can guide this on here. Okay. Oh yes, there we go. Oh yes. Okay, perfect. That's in. It's in. Okay, so that's in. Okay, now this side. Great. Oh, that's working out perfectly. Come on. Let's go. Yes. Oh, that was a loud bang.
That's awesome.
We're in. Oh, thank you.
No worries.
Let go. Perfect. Phew. So that was quite an ordeal. Let me see if I can summarize it for all of us. The previous owners seemed to have installed a new sound system, and part of that sound system was a new set of speakers that had a box that they attached to, and this was attached on the inside of the door here. This box seemed to have come unstuck and jammed itself across the glass portion of the window. Now, what do I mean by glass portion of the window? Let me explain this way. Here is the motor for the window. This motor is attached to two arms. These two arms are then attached to two small sliding mechanisms. These sliding mechanisms are attached to a rail, the rail that you saw we had to fish out of the bottom of the door. And then this, of course, then is attached to the window. The window sits inside of it. But this rail only runs from about here to about here. And so as a result of this wedging, this jamming here, as I was persuading the window to come open, this essentially had the glass being forced up while I was trying to pull it down, and that then resulted in the rail detaching from the glass. The rail itself also detached from the mechanisms that hold it to those arms and then to the motor. Well, it was an interesting fix, and I hope that you've enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed tinkering. I mean, it was a little bit of work, but yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.